Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, Mabel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. I'm gonna be putting on my on the screen my website, my WhatsApp, and also my email for you guys to contact me if you require anything. This product I made just yesterday, and it's for some of my clients, so it's going out today. So I'm just going to package it. I'm going to show you how I package, so that I'm going to the post now to go post it. Like I said in my other video, sorry, I got so many videos I've done but I've not uploaded. And I said Alpha Butane serum. This is an amazing serum that when you put it in your cream, it's good to incorporate in your skincare product. So it helps to boost lightening. It's made from plant extract. It's safe, skincare safe. They call it the cousin of hydroquinone. It works similar like hydroquinone, but it's safe on the skin, unlike hydroquinone. Hydroquinone sometimes the recommended percentage is 2%. It's sometimes safe, but if it's not above that percentage, when it's above that percentage, that is when it's unsafe on the skin, that can trigger other skin condition or cancer. But like I don't use hydroquinone, and I won't really advise you guys to go for it. But this product is Alpha Butane. Like you guys know, you can make your research. Google is your friend. It is made from plant extract, so it's very, very good on the skin, and it helps to boost lightening. Trust me, it helps to boost lightening. Clinically and research wise, it has been proven to work effectively in terms of lightening up the skin. So go to my website and go get your copy. Go to my website and go grab yours. Limited quantity in stock. Thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate you guys, my lovely subscriber and fans out there. I love you guys so much. This is a bar soap I made. This is an amazing bar soap. It's a lightening bar soap which comprises of soap base and also foam booster liquid. I can show you this product that I use well, because sometimes the foam booster, when you put it in a soap, it helps to foam it properly. Even when you apply little on your sponge to apply on your body, it foam well. So this soap, bar soap, can last you really long. So for it to last you for long, and it also has vitamin C, turmeric, carrot, exotic fruit juice, which the exotic fruit juice has carrot, kiwi, apple, pineapple, and aloe vera. So I blended them together and I mixed it in the base soap. So and other stuff I also put. It has, like I said, vitamin C, and I also put Alpha Butane inside. So like I said, it also has Alpha Butane in it. So it's an amazing soap. This is my transparent, or will I say clear white soap. This is an amazing soap that is good for people that got sensitive skin. If you suffer rashes, you got rashes, eczema, acne, this soap is an amazing soap that you can use on your face, you can use on your body, but it's good for sensitive skin people. And these two soap are going for 2 of my scans separately, including with the bar. This is my black soap. So head over to this is a lightening black soap. It comprises of loads and loads of ingredients. So head over to my website and go order yours. Go grab your limited quantity in stock. 2 of this is going, so this will just be 3, and we'll be making more black soap. So guys, go order your Alpha Butane. I'm going to leave some of the description of what I use in my description box. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys are amazing. You are the best. And also I'll be talking about this in my next video, so go support your girl, subscribe. I'm going to be talking about this product and also talk about the ingredient. People have been asking me to talk about this and how to spot the original of this Clinique Clear. So I'm going to talk in detail on how to spot the original and how it does work. I think this Clinique Clear contain, I'm just going to check out the ingredient, what it does contain. If it contains hydroquinone, then I'm going to talk on it. So I'm just going to, I bought this, so I'm just going to talk on it. I've not really opened it, so I think I might be giving it out to one of my lucky subscribers on this channel. So you guys should go subscribe.